Hey everyone. All right. Get to Twitter. Alrighty. So, wait. Can you, did, did my phone happen to restart on me? What the heck just happened here? All right. I got two people here already. I guess. Do I? I think it's just me. Anyways, please let me know if you can hear me and if I sound all right. Alrighty, here we go. So I am trying to learn C++, and currently actually using someone's YouTube video to see if I can figure this out just a little bit. So I've never learned how to do C++, and so I decided, fuck it, tonight's the night, I guess. So that's going to happen. At least trying to get Hello World done. Let's put it that way. All right, let's see here. I'm not showing you the screen of the YouTube video I'm watching, mostly because I'm pretty sure it's not a good idea to do that. Then maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Pause this. Dude, just a new. Oh wow, yeah, I hate you. I can't just. Okay. Everything that I'm trying to do. You found the folder, collapse everything. So. This Hello World would be decent, I guess. Well, it's on the get started area, and I can just copy and paste. I want to know that because I've been having compiler problems, but then this YouTube video showed me how to like sudo something and get the compiler, hopefully. Select terminal, run build test, terminal, run build test. Control should be. Yeah, there it is. No, you bastard. It's like GCC. I have G++ though. That's different than I have. Is it still gonna work? I hope. Build finished successfully. So it does work. Okay. Click the terminal, enter any key. Enter. I have to learn. Display the terminal. Terminal, new terminal. Ooh. Wait a second. I'm watching on YouTube. That way I can actually try and learn something here. Pause. Pause, you bastard. All right, so I can still look at my chat on this. So that's good. Or at least that's the hope. Because this thing drains my battery so quickly. Do you need the USB up? No, I don't. No, obviously. Obviously not. Clearly. Like, oh my God, I can't believe. That you're even saying such obvious stupidity things. Just go away. Never come back. Yeah, sure. Oh, this does charge it. Nice. All right, well, that'll work. Leave that there. That's fine. Build a center, click the terminal, enter a new key. I need to do a GUI. Yeah. Well. Terminal, new terminal. Because I would prefer that. Yeah. PWD is what they wrote. Path file folder. So simple C is the built executable format. I have no idea what the hell they are writing, if I'm being honest. Really, that is correct. He's just following along. Following along! Hey! Nice. Did the thing. The same thing. Really? Yes. So he's saying, I have to always be, you bastard, no. That / load. Oh, you fucker. Bash. Oh, I should probably show you what I'm showing or doing on my thing here. See here, share screen. Yes, don't show me this morning again. Window, Chrome. No, cancel. That's not what it is. Why didn't mine do the same thing? That is what I'm wondering. Is this how I get my Python thing to be able to string? This would be really good if I can do that. Yeah. Just spell it wrong? No, it just says permission denied. Yeah, someone else has that also. And no information on how to fix it. Just send them the information. Need to be a root user to have sudo access to. Why would I not be a root user? I'm like the only person here. Right? Yeah, no, like no. I know I have other people. Like on my no, not like that. I believe, right? And then I fucked it up. It would appear. Yes, the good old. Well, it did let me do something, but that was the wrong thing to let me do. That wonderful bit of awesomeness, All right, so Okay, let me do this instead. We do, what is it? It's the file. So we want to do the file, not the thing of doing the thing. That's correct. Which would be hello world. .cpp. If I remember correctly. Right? Oh, I can't scroll more? Bastards. And then we do s minus I red.cpp. Now we execute the code and we do hello world. Still the same, yeah. Yes. Command not found. Syntax. Near unexpected token of parentheses. Where is the parentheses? Where are these parentheses? No PTA. No. It could be these things. Oh, it's just telling me that they fucked up my code. Even though it's just a copy paste. Yeah. Well, you're using G++, maybe that would be the problem. That could be the problem. So the first one was line 17. There is no line 17, you bastards. Oh, 23. Where's this 23? Well, at least now it's not just being permission denied. So I fixed that problem. It would appear. But it didn't do what theirs did. No. Theirs just said this is a program written in C. Mine goes, fuck you, syntax, fuck off, no, didn't work. Everything about you is garbage. Suck it. Literally everything about that didn't work. You should feel bad about yourself, you idiot. I just copied and pasted what you told me to. I shouldn't be the one that fucking fixes your very code. This is fair, though. This was supposed to be easy. What is the problem? Let's copy what they did. Really? We're just going to file new file, of course. Yeah, just straight up. Let's just go with sample _c BCP, but they're using C, not C. Would are they intercompatible? I have no clue. Close enough. You would hope so. This one. Why is there kilobytes in that? Anyways, let's just create the file in here, I guess. Sure, yeah, no, why not? This one, who gives a fuck about this? Exactly. No one should. It's a garbage code and doesn't work. Feel bad about yourself, code. No one likes you. This is your fault, person that wrote that code for me to copy. Everything about you. Probably did everything right. I just don't know what mine's doing incorrectly, even though it's telling me right there what it's doing incorrectly. No, I don't want to really. It's probably got like some copyright protections or something. Like I'm not supposed to be, showing you what I'm looking at on YouTube. I wonder if you can hear it though. Can you guys hear that? That's a good question, honestly. I really want to know if that's the case. Screen share, but then audio support for shared screens, depending on OS and type of screen. Norisoft is the person, that I'm watching on YouTube make C and C++ programs with Visual Studio Code on Chromebook. Hey there, Ferbs. What's up? I know, I'm stressed out and everything. That's just me being normal. Yeah, Furby. That's my cat. My cat's name is Furby. Not my choice of name. My younger sister made that choice, so that's what that is. Please don't, Furby. I'm just trying to watch somebody write their code. Alright, Furby. Okay, I'm going to focus on you. Alright, everybody, this is the cat in question. She is a cute cat who does cute cat things. Okay? She likes to purr. She loves to scratch at me while I'm at the computer for some reason. I don't really know why. It's a thing, though. All right. There you go. All right. So I shall now replicate exactly the same code that was on. Whoops. Damn it. Go back so many seconds. I hit a 3, next thing you know. You fucker. Alright. No. Back. There it is. Okay, so. Jeez. Include. And these thingies, whatever that is TDIO. Aha, yes, the old tab still works. No capitalization is necessary because cool. Oh, you bitch. No. I didn't want that. I should have used the other thing. Alright, so this, I don't even know what that is, truthfully. There we are. I need no capitalization because, yep. Is it an F? I'm pretty sure that's an F. Parentheses, anyways. Quotation marks. Now it's important that I spell correctly. Oh, I hate that one. Yeah, forward slash. And a backslash. Forward slash, bitch! Alright, so semicolons. They are sometimes your friends. Sometimes. File. Save. Of course. It's because that's what it's telling me. I am replicating it to a T. I will get the results. I am getting the results. Like terminal run build task. Yeah, of course. GCC is now suddenly here. Before it was not. Build finished with errors. I'm trying to terminate it. Is that the same one? I don't know. GCC, it's the first one. Why do I not have the same? It's a good question. User bin CC is what they would say. Yes, that is okay. And it's not going to change. You know, if it did, I'd be like, what the fuck? What the hell? What happened? So there's the print F. Spelling incorrect things, of course. Now, I'm gonna end the build disk of this bitch perfectly. Yes! Finally. Enter. Okay. Enter. Yay! I want it to work. That's true. Boys, you bastard. You fast typing son of a bitch. Alright. So this is what is in there so far. Okay. So no, that is simple. Did I not put an E on this? Oh, God. Rename. Here we go. Wait. Is this time? No, you fucker! I didn't save. Save the dumb thing, please. Fucking god damn it! I have to run the stupid terminal thing again. Do the thing. Good. Okay. Good. Awesome. Now, new terminal. Everything costs time. Yes. It's there. Alright, so that's this sample. Let's go see. I did it correctly. I got the same results. Fucking finally. Alright, so now I have apparently hit exit, and then that exits me. Apparently, is that what that one did? It didn't exit me out of the entire terminal. Okay, I guess I'll just exit out of that, I suppose. Sure. Make a C++ program. Yay. Okay, I'm just going to... Can I delete these? I want to delete these so bad. Where is this? Linux files. My codes. No. Use the thing. What? Okay. Yo. Why so slow? Delete. Sure, and delete the following. Yes. Move to the trash. Okay. Delete all of them. Everything about it. The garbage is going to be destroyed. I need to learn how to use all of the code things. I don't know how to do. I made a code because somebody else. I'm just copying them, but at the same time, you know what I mean? Yeah. The basics for me is go away. This. I should not have done things. Hmm? Okay. All right. So, nope, wrong. Hit the wrong button. All right. The wrong thing on the GUI. Yeah, it's a button, though, technically speaking. I mean, all right. Whoops. Ah, you. Capitalize. I'm literally direct copying, but I'm writing it down. Is that fair use? I don't know. I don't pretend to get involved with that. All right. So, and then it's just done. And then they say save the program, which I can use the Control S, but just in case. No, run build task. Select G++, user bin G++. Big difference. Which one are they? No. Go back. Okay, so this is G++. This. Yes. All right. Bid finished successfully. Awesome. All right. // sample. Maybe one day as a Campbell. I'll stop doing voices. Although, I am always doing voices when you think about it. All right. Yeah, but then others are not. I don't know. Boom. Cool. On a practical program. Download dump.c from Google Drive. Description. Okay. I'm going to watch before I decide to. Well, it's just me watching, really, so I really doubt anyone's going to care. I need to know what the include and all this other stuff actually means, and I don't, so this is a C file, not a C++. Okay, well, I may as well do it. Do the dump C file. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Doesn't seem like such a bad idea. What do I know? Exactly. So, all right. Then it's to copy and then paste. Copy. Paste. As in fish. There's the dump C. All right, terminal. Run build task. It said GCC. Build was successful. All right, so hey. Now it's time to open up the terminal. Let's clear that. All right. Okay, so ls. All right, program for codes, these things. Okay. CD codes. CD capital codes. Hey! Oh my God! Finally, someone told me how to do this. I've been trying to get to this to figure out how to run the PY live stream for ever, and nobody just explained that I have to like do that literal code right there. So let's see here. Right. Okay, so let me just do this real quick. To get the fucking damn directory to be that for a, oh my God, I don't even want to get into this. It's so stupid. Yeah. But this is where it's like, oh yeah, no, I want to like actually learn something. But then they're like, no, just apparently you already knew all of these things, but you didn't. So, which that might mean I can then finally. Okay. Now I want to learn what the individual lines of code do. That's a fair point. Yeah. Like what everything actually does. Yeah, because that would be better for me to know right now. Well, to figure out starts. I mean, it has to start somewhere. Right. Better time than now. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Well, I got that done. So, okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to Got It. Be an issue on your computer, so
All right, now we will go and do the new file. Okay. All right. Do that. We're gonna try and get the hello world to finally actually work because it should work. It makes no sense for it to not work at this point, considering I got other things to work. So it should work. It's it I'll just keep watching this guy.
feel free to just use this as a kind of thing to do if it doesn't seem to be working. But basically, if you come in here to VS Code and you try and type in the command that it says down here, and so it says check your installation, and you can type in one of these two. And so if we type in g++ dash version, right? So for me it works right now. Whether you type this in and it says something along the lines of this not being a command that it knows, then you're likely running into that problem. So the way that I solved this was to completely close VS Code and restart all the instances that I had open. Because at the time I was doing this, I had a couple instances open. So just close all of your instances of VS Code, reopen it, and that seems to be what it fixed it for me. So just be aware that that's something that you'll need to know. So moving on to the next part is going to be doing the create a hello world part. So there's a few commands here that assume you're still kind of working the command line to make a directory. You can open it up with the code command. I'm not going to do that personally. And then you'll see here that it talks about, and that's because I already VS Code open and I'm already in the folder that I want my stuff in. So the part that tells you here that the folder that you're in is going to be your workspace. And as you go through the tutorial, see the 3 files created in VS Code folder: the workplace, tasks, launch.json, and we'll get through those as well. So the first thing we're going to follow through is adding the source file here that says hello world.cpp. And just take everything that it says here and copy it. So I did hit Control S, just out of habit. Control S and saved it. The next part here is to open the file explorer with Control Shift E, but I already have it open. Like it says, you can explore IntelliSense. So you can hover over the various things here in the extension. You can see pulls in the different aspects of C++ and allows you to hover over, figure out kind of what these different things are and how they're being used. And yeah, pretty useful in that front. So next step is to build the Hello World app. So it says next we'll create a task JSON file to tell VS Code how to build and Hello World app this task will import the G++ compiler. So we're going to do what it says, put a terminal here. I have this pretty zoomed in, and I have it split half screen here, which is why my extra options up here at the top now this little thingy, because I've received so much feedback in the past that it's always too small text. So I have a pretty big line here now. You guys can see them. But so you click over here, you may not need to click on this little ellipsis, so you just click on terminal. And then the
You bastard. There's nothing. Yeah, that says G++ DX that for EXE. Hmm. It definitely has that though. Yeah. Okay, well that's something. Definitely different. Mm-hmm. Hmm. 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 I need to pee. So that's gonna be a thing. All right. Let's do this. Turn that off. All right. Oh, have I already been alive for an hour? Holy shit. Hold on. Okay. So how to make Hello World in C++ on Chromebook? Let's figure this shit out. This is different. I mean, he's on a Microsoft, computer, and I am on a Chromebook, a Chrome OS. Very different. It's that is absolutely something I need to favorite or bookmark to my programming. All right. Okay, cool. It's a programming folder for favorites.
Just so you know, these instructions are for Chromebooks that have Intel x86 processors. I'm not sure if this will work with ARM-based Chromebooks, but if you want to know if you have one of those types of Chromebooks, my video on installing Visual Studio Code will show you how to identify what type of Chromebook you have. You can still try to attempt to set this up on an ARM-based Chromebook, but I'm not sure if it'll work. Anyway, let's continue. Now we want to install GCC in the debugger. To do that, type sudo.
The distractions are real. All right, there we go. Text. I know. And you don't see anything going on. I know. I know. But things are going on. I'm watching something on YouTube. If I could, I wonder if that's a thing I can do though, like legitimately. Oh yeah, because it's okay. So share screen. I don't want the background audio from there, and then right to this side. Share that part of it. Oh yeah, because that's you can only share the one apparently. So that's fucking something. You can only show one of them. Let me do this. Wow, big motherfucker. Entire screen. That way you guys can see me. And you can watch this. I'm not doing any background audio. Oop, not him. That is not the person I was watching. That's a fair point. I never did check that. Okay. That's all right. Yeah, no, that's probably not the right call on that. You. Eh. Did I say it was? Version. Yay! There. I have a version of GCC. I definitely do. Finally.
And when it's open, you want to click on this icon right here. This is the extensions icon. And here we already see a C/C++ extension already shown. There's one installed. But if you don't see this, you just type C and then it will show up. And just remember, it's the one that's published by Microsoft. So click install on the button and wait for the install to finish. And it's done. Now we can start creating C and C++ code. I'm going to first create a program in C++, and then I'll also do the same in C. So I'll close this out, then I'll go to the Explorer icon that's here. Then I want to open a folder. Click the open folder icon, and I'll click home. And here I've created a directory for my coding. So I'll click on this icon here to create a new folder. I'll name it coding. You can organize this the way you want. This is how I do this basically. And then I'll create a folder for C++. Here, I'll create another folder for hello.
I did not do this, but you know.
The next thing to do is to create a file. I'll move my mouse to the hello world text that's here. And to create a new file, I'll click this new file icon.
Why does he have open editors and then hello world? What is okay, you know what? Give me a second. No. Okay, you know what? Codes. Okay, so and then outline, timeline, codes. It's in there or something? Okay, and then that, and then that is very okay. Basically the same.
I'll name the file hello world.c. Make sure you use the same cases that I use. So make sure all lowercases are lowercase and all capitals are capitals.
I don't want to use C. There we go. All right, so I need to copy his code. I don't actually know what the hell the difference is, if I'm being honest, which is the problem. I don't know what the reason for having a include is. I don't know why any of this is there. I literally need to start from scratch. So nothing bad there. It's annoying to me. That I don't know what things are, which is what I really want to learn right now. They use me this time. Getting a little bit of Cool. And then let me just zoom that motherfucker in. Zoom and enhance. So it is all together inside that. All right. Zoom and enhance. You. The fat fingering is real today. What did I just do? I hit like shift in like a search, which is apparently caps locked, and like something else. I have no clue. Go away. Don't be there. Don't do this. Shift. No shift. Just that right in. Why is his different looking than mine? Mine is blue. Why is mine blue? Good question. No, you fucker. I didn't even. What did I just click? What did I just click? What the get out of there. Whatever you are, go away forever. No one likes you. Go away. Is there a space? There's no space. There's 3. I don't think that's going to change anything. I misspelled something, perhaps? No, main is spelled correctly. IOStream using namespace. All correctly spelled. That looks right. The calc is not. Why is that the case? Just spell that one wrong. No, definitely spelled the same. Maybe I should just do a little. Nope. Oh, you fucker. You know what? We're just going to redo this again. Because that works. As bad as well as anything else, I suppose. T. The / and in. Why are they different? No idea. Pretty sure it's this one. Okay, knowing that.
This icon here, and I want to build a button. So click on terminal. Click on configure task. And I'll choose
Hi, new people.
C++.
I am currently trying to learn how to code on a Chromebook.
And here we have the task.json file. Now let's go back to the Hello World program that we created. Click on this icon here, and I want to build a button. So click on terminal, then click run build task.
Oh, and they're live. They're gone. Okay. Go to launch.
Okay, everything's successful. There's no errors.
What? I clearly got errors. What's the difference? Is this... What did I do wrong? I don't know. Settings. Can I go to themes? Is it a theme thing? Color theme. No, it looks... It's the count. What is the count problem? That's a good question. What is the count problem?
JSON file. This one.
Doesn't look the same. Nope. Sure don't. Must have spelled something on incorrectly. It's usually what it is. Yeah. Yes, that is a good question. Why did it do that?
I'm done with the Hello World program. I'll save it by hitting Control S. And now we have to create a task.json file. This file tells me.
Let's just redo this. Really? Yeah, no, I mean, because... Yeah. No. I mean, I literally did exactly the same thing, but... Let's go and do it again. Space, of course. Is IO stream. Let's just fully do that. Nah. Back by 5. I didn't do anything different than that. No. Why is it different? I don't know. So there's this one. Let's just give it a second.
Menu item, then click on configure default build task, and then I'll choose the C/.
Okay.
C++, G++ build active file. And here we have the test.json file. Now let's go back to the hello.
Yeah, crap. I just did it again. Yeah. Yeah, literally. Okay, can I delete you? That'd be probably the better option. Delete. Yeah, and then settings. Oh, yeah, no, okay. So we'll just delete that too. We're gonna delete this one as well. That might explain why some things might not have worked. Yeah, maybe. Most likely. Maybe. I don't know. I haven't done it yet. So as a result, I am actually in no way sure. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, you bitch. Okay. And that is the correct thing. All right. Cool. Okay.
So click on terminal, then click run build task.
Build finished successfully. Fuck yes. Saving. Saving all. Save. Saved. Things are saved, hopefully. All right.
Okay, everything's successful. There's no errors. So now we actually want to run the program we just built.
Yep.
So let's terminal by clicking on this plus icon that's over here. You can see that we already received the directory as our project. And if we list the contents of those directories, we see our hello world.cpp file. And we see a hello.
Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo 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 moo. Does anybody remember the Moo program? Baby. I just would rather that you kill the terminal. Yeah, fine. I'll just kill that terminal. Kill that terminal. I'm going to kill this terminal. This one's for this one, I think. Of course, it's got all of the things in it. Right. It's a programming language. Moo 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 is moo is a programming language or something. So, is there really a programming? Yeah, there's a thing that is absolutely called the Moo programming language. I just did this though, but like I don't know what any of that is. He's like, we'll just create a program. Don't know what include IO. Don't know what the using names. I don't know what any of that means. It's nice, but I don't know any of those things. I'm glad that it works though. Right. Right. Yeah, and I would like to know how to learn a GUI. That'd be cool. Because GUIs would be neat. I need water. It's water time. Water. Really? Don't you know about the water? Vodka. It's laced with pollutants. That's why I have a filter. You don't know about the pollutant problem? Oh, gosh. I cannot believe such things. Let's make some tea real fast. Actually, do we want tea or do you want a cup of coffee? Water. We're going to go with water. I mean, none of you are really, there's no one on the stream, so I don't think I'm really going to have anyone give a shit if I decide to just suddenly take a break. Get coffee. How hard is it to make that tea? It's not extraordinarily difficult. Really? Yeah. You know, I'm just going to make tea real fast. It's going to make some actually really, it's goody kuro, but, you know, I'm actually not sold on it. The one I bought is, I don't know if I'm brewing it or infusing it correctly, but, I don't know. I'll give it some time to figure out how to appropriately and correctly infuse it, and before I come up with any sort of opinions, I guess, on it, you know, that kind of a thing. Anyways, I have not eaten, but I have had a smoothie and grapes. And my liquid multivitamin. So that means it's effectively like I have eaten. Turn that off. sometimes my yeah. Basically, if I don't turn off the heater and I use my microwave, the circuits are tripped, and the next thing you know, I don't have any power. So that's a wonderful thing. Wonderful. Special. I'm getting out the walnuts because walnuts are good for us. Good for omega-3s. Good for our brain, that kind of thing. Got some almonds, slivered almonds. They're unsalted. And a little bit, because I need to chew on something. That's really what I'm having problems with right now. I need to chew on some shit. And stirring. But the water, which a scoop, a small scoop. We're going to use the ice cream scoop. That is correct. All right. So, what are you going to do? Boring stuff, like make tea, that kind of thing. Shake that a little bit. Put it in for about a minute. Leave it alone. Test the water temperature. Shouldn't be too bad. I mean, realistically, let's get that into this. Make it a lot easier. Okay. Ready? Be able to wake up the tea as it's been in the refrigerator the majority of the time. Well, I like that they vacuum seal their tea. That's the reason why I decided to go with them specifically. This is a very nice thing. So they vacuum seal their tea in a bag. It's actually not bad tea. Like, you just have to put a lot more fucking tea in it than like the 16 or 6 ounce or 6 grams for a liter of tea. But then I'm really partial to tea flavor, which I guess apparently means that I'm doing it differently, or I really, really, really want like a lot of flavor for the tea or something. I don't know. Point is, I just feel like it doesn't really want to tell me the truth. You know what I mean? When I looked it up online about how much I'm supposed to put in. All right, 75 degrees Celsius is a little bit on the high side, but this is old tea. This is tea that I've already tried to brew with. And in fact, have already brewed with, is what I should say. So that's what that is. I know. I'm still over here. I'm still here. You can skip forward to see when I come back with my tea and shit. That's probably a good thing to do, unless you're like really into hearing me off screen make tea. So trying to heat this up. Apparently, you're not supposed to use boiling water to make tea. That's a thing. If you don't know, it's an actual thing. Really? Yeah, like boiling water is not what you're supposed to make the tea with at all. So that's a thing. You don't know. You're not really supposed to get to like 75 either, but then, you know, this is older tea, and I do want a little bit more infusion of the tea for the caffeine. So that's what that is. That and one of these thing. The original tea leaves that were in there were already brewed up to, for a few seconds, boiling temperature, which was not intended. That was not intended whatsoever. All right. So that's wonderful. Yeah. Not intended whatsoever. Not what you're supposed to do, apparently. So cooking timer of, we'll do 15 damn minutes. Last time I did 10 minutes and got up to a few seconds of boiling water temperature at the very, very, very end. So I don't really know what to say about that, other than to any of the green tea aficionados out there, sorry. Sorry, you know, wasn't my intention. I looked away, didn't realize I still had the burner on. That's a thing. Been calming down. It's nice. I think, there we go. 80 should be correct to do. And leave that alone for now. 80 degrees Celsius. Not Fahrenheit. In this apartment household, which is really just me, we use Celsius and metric liters and units of measurement. Unless we're talking about like what temperature is outside, then we definitely use Fahrenheit, because that's, I don't like using, it's 18.47 degrees Celsius to get the accurate feeling. Anyways, this is not the tea. This is the walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and almond slivers. That's good. I need that. My water's over there, and I'm probably going to die choking on something if I don't have that. Anybody else get that weird feeling? That genuine fear? Live by yourself? Am I going to die choking on something? Is it weird? I don't think it's weird, honestly. I mean that. Like, I really don't think that's weird. That's a genuine fear I feel like a lot of people have, and nobody really talks about it enough. Because all they do is go like, yeah, no, I'll just like, you know, thrust myself against a chair or something to try and get out the whatever the fuck's lodged into my throat that's killing me, because I can't even call 911. They'll never even show up fast enough. to get me before I die of asphyxiation. Ah! Cool. That's awesome. Why am I trying to learn C++? Well, it comes out in March, the video. So, effectively, it's just about trying to learn how to code in a hyper-efficient manner. That's a bad way to put that. Any assembly language, I need to learn how to like code the logic gate, CPU languages, and the byte bit, table information stuff. Wait, what? No, well, that's a whole part of it. Since I'm sure that you'd be like, why the fuck would you go that low level? No one goes that low level. And I'm like, because that's what I'm interested in. That's what gets me ticking when it comes down to programming. I like that stuff with programming. So that's why I want to learn. Is it 8 minutes? I think it's 8 minutes, yeah. You gotta get there. You can't just do it right away. I'm sad that I don't have access to the things I want to have access to. Where's my assembly language? Why can't I code this on my computer? It is a Chromebook. Chrome, you bastards! Trying to keep me away from making my CPU my bitch. You fuckers! Alphabet, I see you over there looking away shamefully. Anyways. How hot is that? Yeah, no, I want to immediately move into. Tell me what the things do that thing. Why do we write this such like that? I literally don't care about anything else most of the time. I just want to know what these are. Can you create a literal list of all of the ways that the program, and yeah, that's really all I need to know. Any language is kind of like that, though. Grammatically speaking. What do you mean? So, language is just sentence structures with words. Literally, that is always what it has always been. There has never been anything other than that going on. And so, as a result, if you want to learn how to code, it's like, I just need to know what the hell this word means and what it does and how to structure it appropriately with these other things to know what it's going to try happen with assembly code. This is literally all I care about. Which at this point, it almost sounds like I should be probably starting off in assembly code and learning what ones and zeros and bytes of information happen to exist, for. But you got to start somewhere, is what it feels like. But it's like, why wouldn't I just start there when that would be better for me? It's what it feels like, It's still the right temperature. It's 80 degrees Celsius. But turn that on for a temporary amount of time. All right. How long? I'll give it as long as I need to take a piss for, because I need to pee. I'm not kidding. That's literally what I want to do. Not right now, no. I don't know. I mean, that's what I want to learn. That's literally what I want to learn. Yeah. You don't want to learn other. Why would I want to learn other code? Other code is stupid. It's built off of a bunch of people that basically, didn't even understand half of what is going on. The math, the science, the everything. You know what I mean? That's kind of what it feels like to me. It's like, look, I understand why you might want the code, with that, because it seems far less scary. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, oh, what's so, why would I ever want to learn like zeros and ones? And I'm like, but you're willing to go main int blah 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 stuff, and it's like, yeah, but I know what that means. And I'm like, yeah, just because it has like familiar symbolic shapes that represent letters to you. That's the only difference. Like, essentially, a byte is just a symbolic 1 and 0, but then this string turns into, oh yeah, no, that's what that meant. So like, you get what I mean? It's just, to me, it's easier. It's easier for me, because it's like, oh, I can just use a very specific type of setup to run the math, and basically it's like, oh, I already know what the math is, the kind of basic outline of it that I want to run. And since logic gate matrices, which transistors are just a, for a core here, we're talking about cores on a CPU, it's just a setup of this many types of transistors in a given area. And so now that's a core. And so that, I don't know, like I want to get there. So I figure learning this would be faster right now to get the basics done. But I mean, I'd rather just start in that area. But apparently that's not usually the right call or something for people. I don't know. I feel like people would be like, are you like shitting with me? Like, it's killers, or you're just like trying to be big or something. And I'm like, no, that's what I would prefer. That's what my plan is for certain program. I want to make a program, and the program has to deal with that. And I don't feel like with this, I'd be able to program, meaning C++, that as I'd have to get deep into what C++ could do, and I'm not there yet. So like, I got to figure that part out. If it's even reasonable to say that I can do that. Right. Alrighty. Okay. So it boiled a little. Yeah. Had a little boiling. Anyways. I don't know. I don't see why I shouldn't do it. I mean, if that's what I want to do, then why shouldn't I do that? Exactly. Yeah. But you got to start somewhere, and you never know. You might actually be able to do all of it that you want to do in C++. It is a rather, because it can go down to assembly language. That's what I saw online, and so it's like, well, you never know. It might actually have the ability to do what I'm looking for it to do, which would be really nice. Right. Yeah. All right, got my tea. The tea is here. It's not looking amazing. But this is like triple for one amount of it, and then double infused tea, which is to say that I mean, you're supposed to reuse the tea. Like, you can usually get multiple infusions from your tea. If you're unaware, that is a thing that you can do. It's something I wasn't aware of when I was looking into tea, because everybody has already gotten into things before I have, of course. I'm starting life late, essentially, all the time, it seems like. Seems like, anyways. All right. Grab this. Woo, that is hot. This is hot fucking water. That is, of course, colored like piss. good thing it's good tasting piss, you know what I mean? Apple juice. Right. Either way. Either way. Yeah, after a certain point, all right? Yeah. All right. Put that there. Don't spill. Please don't break. You would ruin my life if you were to. All right. What you thinking about? What's the difference between C++ and C? I didn't want to make a new one, you bastard. Oh, you fucker. Structural or procedural programming that is used for system management, low-level application, object-oriented. What does object versus structural mean? Feature that encapsulate data hiding, data abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I get it. I have time to learn this. I've got how long left on my stream? That's a good question. I'm supposed to be able to stream for like 4 hours. 2 hours so far. Yeah, I don't have that much time. Let's see here. Foundation for beginners. Extension for complex applications. Also, it is faster. Okay. It's the assembly stuff. Yes. Oh, that's true. You everything stuff is happening everywhere. Yes. Damn fucking. It's getting cooled off by that air. I've got a fan on over there. I don't want it to cool off. Don't drink tea that quickly. All right. C preferred extension. Object oriented. What does object oriented mean? So it has it has built-in libraries. That's what I'm guessing is what object oriented mean. Does object, yeah. That organized software around data object and functions and logic. Software procedural. Is it? Is there a programming language that has like all of this together? Because I can 100% use structured programming in what it is I'm trying to make. Builds off of it, right? Thanks. Brain remembering. It's got to have structured programming in it as well. There's object oriented having some additional features. You know what? We're going to just try this anyways and see how it goes. You must slurp tea. Remember that. It's true. You're supposed to slurp tea. Microphone's back on. Microphone's going to go off. And now it's going to go off. Started doing something while you were talking, and now I don't know where you are. We'll catch up. We'll catch up. Yeah. You know what? Let's just close Visual Studio. We'll just open it up real quick again. That'll probably solve some issues, close, open, that kind of thing. Like restarting sometimes. I wonder if that's an actual thing I can do now. Nothing, it's the Pi live stream thing. I'll have to work on that after this, Share my screen that is. Yeah, it's okay. Rewind. I need to go back. I was not paying attention. I was doing other things. I'm back. Yeah, I realized you were not listening. You're able to hear me. I have to listen to this. I have to.
because we want to format this code professionally, just like how we write an article. We want to format the code just like a published article. Okay. Now, after the function name, we type a pair of parentheses, and inside the parentheses, we can specify the parameters of this function. So the function can have 0 or 1 parameters. For now, let's not worry about them. We'll talk about them later. Then we type a space again for proper formatting, followed by a pair of braces. And inside the braces, we can type the code for this function. So whatever we type here will be executed when the operating system executes our main function. Now, once again, in terms of formatting, there are two schools of thought for adding the braces. Some people like to add the left brace on the same line as the function. The other people like to put the left brace on a new line. There's really no right or wrong here. So whatever you prefer, just stick to that and make sure your code is consistent. In this course, I'm going to put the left brace on the same line where we define the function. Okay? Now, in this function, we want to write code to print something on the screen. And for that, we're going to use the C++ standard library. So earlier I told you that the standard library provides a bunch of capabilities that we need in almost every application. So on the top, we type hashtag include, and in angle brackets, we specify the name of one of the files in the standard library, that is IO stream, which is short for input output stream. In this file, we have capabilities of printing something on the screen or getting input from the user. So just like a supermarket has different sections, the standard library also has different files each serve their purpose. Now, as we go through the course, you'll learn about the other files in the standard library. Okay? So, back to our main function. Now here we type std, that is short for standard library, and this is like a bucket or a container of features that are currently available to us. So the features we have imported on the top. Okay? So if you type double colons, you can see all these features. Now there are a ton of features here. Don't worry about any of them. In this lesson, we're going to use cout, that is short for character out. Some people think this is short for console out. That is not correct. So using this object, we can output one or more characters on the screen. So we type a space, followed by 2 left-angled brackets, another space, and then in double quotes, we type the text we want to print on the screen. Using a semicolon, just like how we terminate our sentences with a period. So in C++, this line is called a statement because it tells the operating system what to do. So whenever we type a statement, we should terminate it with a semicolon. Okay? Now finally, we return the value of 0, and once again, we need to terminate this with a semicolon. But why 0? Well, 0 tells the operating system that our program is going to terminate correctly. If we return any other values, positive or negative, that means our program encountered an error. Okay? So let's quickly recap what we have done so far. On the top, we included one of the files in the standard library for printing something on the screen. Then we defined the main function, which is the entry point of our program. And as you can see, the main function returns an integer, which is a whole number, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And in between the braces, we have written the code for this function. So on the first line, we print something on the screen, and on the second line, we return the value of 0. Simple as that. This is your first C++ program. Next, I'm going to show you how to compile and run this program. Now, to run this program, first we have to compile this code to machine code that can be run by the computer's operating system. So the machine code is basically the native language that the computer's operating system understands, and it's different from one operating system to another. So if you compile this code on a Windows machine, you get an execution console or the terminal window. It's basically a way to see the output of a program. So over here, you can see the Hello World message. So we're using a console application here because console applications are easier to create, especially for people learning a new language. Building applications with a graphical user interface or GUI is way more complex. So once you understand the basics of C++, you'll be ready to move on to writing applications with a graphical user interface if that's what you want. Okay? Now, let's minimize this window and make a tiny problem of this code. So I'm going to remove
Stuff is happening on my computer. I have to do things. Give me 1 second. What? No, don't. Stop. You run a debug. I don't want to. You. Debug. It's just a debug. Just run. Run is what you were looking for, not debug. Oopsie. Pardon me. Yeah. No with the debug. Stop it. It's still going and doing its thing. I thought I just said run. What is going on here? Well, it's different. It's using C-Line, not Visual Studio. You know, isn't that different? Anyways. Go back to the other terminal, please. I can hit the enter thing. There we are, finally. And then we can kill that terminal. Okay. All right.
semicolon. Now, let's rerun our program. Look, this time, we did a compilation error pointing to this line. So, the error is reminding us that we have forgotten the semicolon. If you're starting out, it's completely normal to encounter these errors if you have a typo or miss a semicolon and so on. Don't let that discourage you. It's the first skill of the program. So if your code doesn't get compiled, pay close attention to this video. See what exactly can I mean compared to your code. I promise, if you pay close attention, you'll be able to solve issues on your own. So let's fix the issue. Alright, let's move on to the next lesson. Now going forward, I want to change the colors here, and I wanted to show you how to do that because a lot of people ask me about the themes I use to make videos. If you're not using C-Lion, feel free to move on to the next lesson. So, on the top, we go to the Preferences menu. Then, welcome back to the Ultimate C++ course. In this section, we're going to talk about the basics of C++. We'll cover variables and constants, naming conventions, coding mathematical expressions, writing to and reading from the console, working with the standard library and comments. So by the end of the section, you'll be able to write simple but really useful programs in C++. Now, let's jump in and get started. Let's talk about variables. In programming, we use variables to temporarily store data in the function.
No, I don't remember there being a run done.
To run this program,
Oh no, I did run. I guess it ran. I don't. So terminal, starting the build, it's compiling it, and then okay, so that's what that was. It's not a debug thing. And now it was done. Okay, so it did do the thing. Okay. All right. Just move on from that.
Welcome back to the Ultimate C++ course. In this section, we're going to talk about the basics of C++. We'll cover variables and constants, naming conventions, coding mathematical expressions, writing to and reading from the console, working with the standard library, and comments. So by the end of the section, you'll be able to write simple but really useful programs in C++. Now, let's jump in and get started. Let's talk about variables. In programming, we use variables to temporarily store data in the computer's memory. Now, technically, a variable is the name of a location in memory where it can store some value. Now, because the value can change, we refer to this location as a variable. Now, to declare a variable in C++, first we define the type of data we want to store. Let's say int or integer for storing whole numbers. Then we define a variable with the proper meaningful name and wide size. And there are various ways to name our variables. We have various conventions. We'll talk about them momentarily. Once we declare a variable, then we terminate the statement with a semicolon. Now, I want to emphasize that you should always use meaningful names for your variables. Don't use abbreviations like fs because someone else reading this code may not know what fs is short for. Also, don't go for names like f1, f2, or thing. These are cryptic and ambiguous. Okay? So we're going to call this placeholders. And then we can give it a value like 100. So we assign it with a value of 100. Now here we can combine these two statements into a single statement, and that makes our code shorter and more concise. So right here, where we declare our variable, we can give it an initial value of 100. This is called initializing a variable. Now we can do the same thing. Okay. Now let's declare another variable for storing numbers with decimal point. For that, we're going to use a different data type, double. We're going to talk about different data types in the next section. So in this section, we're only going to work with integers and numbers. Now we're going to call this sales and initialize it to 9.99. Okay. Now that we have two variables, we can print them on the console. So instead of hello world, let's print file size. On our program, we see 100. Beautiful. Now, while initializing variables is not mandatory, it's a good practice to follow. Let's see what happens if we don't initialize file size and print it on the terminal. Well, immediately we see this warning. Let's take a look. The warning is saying variable file size is uninitialized like used here. Initialize local variable file size. So our ID is complaining that we're using a variable that doesn't have an initial value. Let's run our program and see what happens. Take a look. Look, we get this random value, and if we run our program multiple times, we see a completely different value. This is what we call garbage. This is the data that is currently in memory. So as a best practice, we should always initialize our variables before using them. So I'm going to set this to an initial value here. Now, in languages like C#, Java, we don't have to do this. If we declare an integer, it automatically gets initialized to 0. But this is not how it works in C++. Okay? So this is how we can declare and initialize variables. And by the way, we can also initialize multiple variables. So over here, we can declare a second integer. Let's call that counter. So we add a comma in our counter, and optionally we can initialize it to some value. Now, while this works, it's often discouraged. As a best practice, we should declare each variable on a separate line. So I'm going to remove this and declare another integer. Like this. Okay. Now I have a small exercise for you.
Ah,
To write code to swap the value of two variables. This is a common interview question, so let me explain what I mean. We're going to declare two variables, and B. Now if we print A, you're going to see 1 on the terminal, right? Now here's what I want you to do. Over here, I want you to write code to swap the value of these
Isn't it always a little?
Like what I do. We're going to declare two variables, A and B. Now if you print A, we're going to see 1 on the terminal, right? Over here, I mentioned.
Okay, so because I don't know what most of this does, so it's kind of one of my problems.
Let's direct the code to swap the value of these variables. So let me print A
Squirrel.
to 2, and when you print B, we see 1.
Don't have an STD for that one. Yeah, no kidding. That's good. Usually.
Now, I don't want you to reset these variables, so I don't want you to set A to 2 and B to 1. This is not the right solution. Let me give you a hint. Imagine, instead of these two variables, we have 2 buckets. The first bucket is filled with apples. The second bucket is filled with oranges. Now, if you have these 2 buckets in real life, how can we swap their content? Think of a solution and then use that idea to write code to swap the value of these variables. It's not that difficult. Just spend a couple minutes on this and then come back and see my solution. So to solve this problem in real life, we need a third bucket. First, we empty our apples bucket into this bucket. Now the apples bucket is empty, so we can move the content of the oranges bucket here. Now the oranges bucket is empty, so we can move the content of the third bucket into this bucket. Now we have swapped the content of the buckets, right? So let's use this idea to solve this exercise. We declare a variable we can call 10, and we initialize it with what we have in A, that is the value of 1. Now we can set A to B, so whatever we have in B, which is 2, is now going to be in A. And finally, we're going to set B to 10, so B is going to be 1. So now, if we print A, we're going to see 2 instead of 1. Let's verify this. So let's run our program. There you go.
Well, if I don't know what temp is, then how would I have known? I mean, I know this is just another bucket, but it's like I don't know what temp is. That's kind of my issue right now. It's like I need to know more, a lot more. This is annoying me. But we all got to start somewhere. Indeed. That's not the issue. The issue is like the learning code stuff. While they're trying their best, it's like, okay, I guess slow down. Really, I just need to know a lot more, I suppose. Abort. Okay.
So this was your first program problem. If you got stuck, don't worry. It's completely normal. As we go through the course, I'm going to give you more and more exercises to help you build your confidence. Next, we're going to talk about copy.
You're not really. This is my problem with this. First off, I got a build that finished with errors, mostly as a result of misspelling. So I'll play that one more time. It's like, yeah, no, how would I have known? I mean, I know about the, and what is it, integer or whatever, interval, input, whatever. I don't fucking remember either at this point. Right? Really? It's whatever the hell that thing is. And this is what it spits out. So it's like 2, 1. Yeah, no. Anyways. All right. This is why I kind of need an actual like class, you know? Yeah.
There are situations where we don't want the value of a variable to change. This is where we use constants. Here's an example. Let's declare a variable of type double, call it 5, and set it to 3.14.
Variable.
Calculate the area of a circle, right? But what if somewhere in our program I accidentally set pi to a different value than 0? With this, our calculations are going to go wrong, right? This is where
Is it wrong that I really just want to like get like a book at this point and just fucking read it? Like to know what all of these things are, because then I could just phrase it though it could. No, I need to know this. If I need to know more about how to structure things, This is a problem of knowing things, but not knowing the things to do the things to set it up the right way. Because I already know how to do that, basically. Tell it how to do the things I want it to do. It's frustrating.
where we can use a constant to prevent the value of pi from changing. How do we do that? Very easy. We type the const keyword before declaring this variable. Now look, on line 5, we have a red underline. That is a compilation error. So if we hover our mouse here, you see the error saying cannot assign a variable pi with const qualified type const double. And also, if we try to run our program, here in the terminal window, we see an error. So take a look. This is the error. The error is happening in main.cpp on line 5, column 8. And here's the actual error. Cannot assign to variable pi with const qualified type. Okay? So this will prevent us from accidentally modifying the value of this variable or accurately constant. Now let's talk about naming conventions. So we have different conventions for naming our variables and constants, and different teams.
The integers are variable, apparently.
Let me show you the popular conventions. So earlier we declared a variable of file size. The way we name this variable.
Yeah, no. Oh, hey. I actually got someone chatting. Magochi, isn't it my favorite with the dim nice souls? Hey, Magochi. Yeah, you're watching me try and learn how to code, essentially, in C++ specifically. And it's kind of annoying to me because it's like I can probably go a lot further, as I'm already aware of a large amount of how to do some of this stuff. It's just I need to know how to write it. Am I doing? I'm doing okay, Magochi. I'm doing okay. How are you doing, dude? Let's see here. Yeah, let's switch this for a little while. Take a break, I suppose. Oh, hey. Yeah. Oh, okay. So that was not on stream. Well. Oh, no. No, is it? Oh, yeah. Okay. That explains some stuff. I'm all right. A bit sick, but we kicking. Can you put the camera a bit down so it shows your whole face? Yeah. That's fine. Or apparently not actually do that. Give me a second. There we are. Yeah. Zing baby kicking. Yeah. So I was trying to show off how to code, but I guess that wasn't going to be going on. I'm actually kind of at a crossroads right now in my head where I'm like, how much would it, in terms of time, just learn what the hell is going on? Quality seems better. Well, yeah, no, I reduced the sound or my microphone volume, and it has an automatic adjustment, so I can change that real quick. Now you have the added better 720p quality to the microphone, not sound wise. Oh, really? Oh, all right. Well, there you go. Image wise, well, I was at 360p before, although now I have a USB dongle that is has a Ethernet attachment, or whatever that kind of thing is. So that means I should be a little more consistent. It's also on Melon versus StreamYard, so maybe that's helping out a little bit. You know what I mean? You're stuttering now. That 360 one had less stuttering. You're stuttering now. Okay. Is 480p a little better? Does that seem a little better? So far, so good. Yeah, no. My computer is just not really that good. Quite obviously, I feel. You know what I mean? And so I'm just gonna switch it back to the 360p. Might as well, and try and get a little better, consistency to it. Yeah. I really need to learn more about this. 40 was good, actually. Yeah, well, just to be on the safe side, I guess, for the 360. Stuttering was happening. Yeah. Yeah. Well. Yeah. Check out that 480p for right now. Oh. Yeah, I hate looking at myself. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. Basically, for programming language, I just need to learn what the hell the damn words mean and how to structure it appropriately. See, I took a programming language course for C#, I believe is what it is, or Pound, whatever. It won't be time consuming. Yeah, well, I've got time. That's not the issue. The issue is that it's not really easy to put together the way I want it to be put together. I like a different way of putting it together. The sentence structure, and that is probably going to help me keep at it. So maybe C# would be a little better, but then I don't know. So is okay. So yeah, no, yeah, okay. But how come nobody likes C#? I mean, as in learning. Yeah, I'm trying to see. I grew up with C#, and that's the reason why I've not grew up. I can always learn something else. So that way I can get it proper. Intermediate level language is a high level. So, I should share my screen real quick. Share screen, yeah. Is C# the first version? No, not really. If I'm honest, not at all. As far as I'm aware, C# came after C++. So it was a pretty strong object-oriented powers of C, initially known as a high level of language inheritance. Boy, you have so many tabs open. Yeah, I do. Well, I had more before I started streaming. I love this one. Let's just see how much memory of my 3.73 gigabytes available. I have 0.14 total. And it's probably not going to do very well. Anyways. Machine independent programs can be written. Okay. Compiler dynamic integration is known as. It's like, it's cool, which later got renamed C#. High level built overseas and is backbone owned. And minimum specific object oriented, harmony, simple, type safe, speed, record. I feel like I kind of probably want to, intermediate, I'm not really seeing much of a difference outside of like the way it's written, kind of binaries and shit. There's low and lightweight binaries. Size of binaries is high. So there's a lot of overhead. Right? Okay, so I might want to stick with C++. So that's a thing. There we go. Yeah, well, it's not really. I mean, it's a Chromebook. A laptop is you would consider a laptop different, truthfully, than a Chromebook. Although I guess some people don't. It's pretty close though. I don't know. Like, I already have in my head an understanding of what the structuring language of C# is. And so that might end up being like a better option just because of that being the case. And terrible at coding. Yeah, I gotta get better at coding. I'm literally not a coder. This is my first beginning. I mean, I've had some experience, but nothing really that amazing, if I'm being honest. And I'm sure you're probably a better coder than I am right now. And then Python has been its own brutal thing to begin with. That one's rough as fuck. Python was not working the way I really wanted it to, but then I apparently never understood what the initial codes that I was supposed to do were. Let's see here. So, to be able to run anything. I wish you're smarter than me. I don't think that that's really how some things kind of are. I don't believe I am, for one thing, Magochi. But on the other hand, in that same vein, dumb people, if you want to call them that, have also they themselves made code. So I just, and they're used on a daily basis. I don't know. Maybe it'll get me somewhere. It's really just I want to try and get an operating system going towards a change, basically. Thank you, trust me, or thank you. I appreciate that. Sheesh. So I'm currently downloading or installing C# on the Visual Studio, which I'm guessing is the reason why I'm stuttering like mad now. Although I can exit that. I don't need to give it that anymore. The whole point, though, of the thing I'm trying to build is the ability to make a more efficient use of our given amount of core clocks and here and there. Okay, essentially make it easier. It's just supposed to make more power occur from lower, from everything, from all of it, pretty much. It's not technically doing anything. I'm not overclocking. I'm just making it such that the code happens for the binary assembly and more is using everything more efficiently and setting it up more efficiently. Right now, it's not there, and so I think I'm going to have to try and learn how to reprogram in C# and get kind of someplace with it, and then learn from the C#, get to like other coding languages. I like kind of how the sentencing structure works in C#. That's just kind of what I do, but at the same time, it has a lot of overhead and other issues. I guess I'm just going to have to go for something and, slowly but surely land on this, because otherwise I'm guessing I'm going to end up having to code my own entire language, which actually is something I'm trying to release on my YouTube, which Magochi, okay. You said you'd be on my morning live stream the next day for when I was, making coffee, and then also Mango will do, or Mago will do. All right. And also that you followed me on Twitter and YouTube. I'm just happy that you're following me on Twitch, if I'm honest. No fucking actual, I'm not really angry. I'm really not. But, I don't know. I just figured I'd bring that up, I suppose. Yeah, it was too early. Yeah. What time is it for you? Take it off. Got some tea. Wow, it's 4 a.m. for you. And it's 8 p.m. for me right now. It is crazy how different that is. All right. Let me see here. If this is finally done, it's not done. This is annoying. Okay. It's slow. My entire computer is just not going at all as far as I can tell. So that's wonderful. All right, exactly one. Yeah, I did that. Thank you. Yeah, no, the links in there, and then also the Discord are now all on the. Oh, it showed up. Thank you so much. New subscriber. Nice. Anyways, yeah, no. All that's up there on the thing. So the site or whatever it's called. You're fine. No need to apologize. Let's see here. Screen. No background audio. See here, and then we'll show on stream real quick what that's about. That's wonderful. You know, we could probably just change that instead of the screen. Just going to change that real quick. Thank you very much, by the way, for following and doing that. I actually really, I genuinely really do appreciate that. So, see here, share. Is it this? It's a window. We're going to do, I'm not sure how to do this, actually, if I'm being honest. So I guess we'll just do the entire screen. Might as well. Yeah. Gonna have to deal with that garbo. For sure. I also do check your videos. Thank you. I really appreciate that. I do. A lot of my stuff is I don't know, like I haven't done anything online like I should. Because for whatever darn reason, I've just been like avoiding YouTube or making videos for YouTube or something. Watch the copyright one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, I genuinely feel as though some people are going to steal my shit. So I felt like I should put that out there. You know what I mean? Oh, hey, there it is. Fuck yeah. So that's the file extension for C#. Is it like something else? I mean, what is it really? Extension. It's Thank you for watching that. Yeah, no. Yeah, you don't know the file extension. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, no big deal. I'm hoping because like a couple of people, I suppose, have been watching some of my stuff on YouTube, but I've been really hoping it'll get somewhere. But you know, you have to actually get somewhere, right, with things. So concept, that's concept. So file, couple peeps checking you out. Nice, that's good. See, you know, maybe it's C and then is that the file extension? What's the file extension for the darn C#. Advertising helps. Yeah, I can't really advertise, so I can kind of go on C# file extension. CS. Okay, that makes sense. All right. Nope. You. Okay. I love how like people would be like, I would have been terrified of fucking. I'm like, I don't give a shit. I don't care at all. I don't in any way give a shit whatsoever. Truthfully. All right. This is valid.net. Terrified about. Searching for something on Google with the auto complete stuff on your computer, live streaming. You know, see what people are going to see. All right. So let me see here. Use C# and Chromebook. All right. All right. We're going to. Can you just open this in a new tab? Oh my God. What happened to my computer? It just died for a second. Didn't see anything? Yeah, I know. You're good. I wouldn't mind. All right. Watch this together, I guess. See here. Add this thing. And then we shall do this.
This video is an updated version of my previous coding on Chromebook with C#. It's meant to get you up and running so you can start coding C# on Chromebook. In this video, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code and set it up for C# coding.
You still there, Migu? Yeah, okay. Sorry. You're good. I get you. I got about another hour of streaming, so then I have to stop.
Some info will come up. The architecture section, it says x86_64. Then you have an Intel Core. Otherwise, you have an ARM Core. Let's now get on with setting up C#. First, let's install Visual Studio Code. Open a web browser and type
Celeron.
visualstudio.com/download. Here, you can click on the .dev download. But if you have an ARM Chromebook, you want to download the ARM64 link that's listed here. For me, I'll just click on the download will soon start and you will see the project.
Thanks for being around, though, by the way. I'll see you until next week. Yeah, unfortunately. My phone doesn't stream. I just maybe if I connect it up to the USB dongle, I'll be able to Yeah, I can stream on YouTube, I guess, but I feel like not many people are going to be trying to watch because Twitch is kind of the bigger one when it comes down to that. All right, I gotta pee. I'll be right back. I do want to stream on YouTube by the way, but right now I'm not there yet. That's all that is. All right. Yeah, no, I do want to stream on YouTube. In fact, YouTube I can stream directly from their app, hopefully. But my phone's basically weak sauce, apparently. Yeah, well, thank you. And as a result of this, cat, please. As a result of these things, it would allow me to do more than 1 week. That's for sure. I believe that's the reason why it won't stream from my phone. It'd be nice to see you more than just once a week. Yeah, I'd like to do it like every dang day if I could. I'd like to stream every day. I would. But options to streaming to Twitch. It's a whole thing. I'm trying to get the Pi live stream thing application sort of compiled, put together, running. Currently, right now, it's not. So, and I thought my whole thing was not working and or broken or something. So I might actually be able to do it. So. Anyways, I have to look into it. I need to get rid of that whole part of doing other things. Work on this.
Click the install button on the result of Microsoft as the publisher. The extension will start installing, and when it's done, you will see an uninstall button. Okay, so we have Visual Studio with the C# extension installed. The next step is to install .NET Core. Do this by clicking on the .NET Core link that's listed here. On the pop-up that comes up, click on Open. A web browser window will open with the .NET page. Click on the download link.
All right, we're getting there. We're getting there.
On the next page, click on the install.net button.
There you bastard. Can you please? Is this the Linux? This is a Linux .NET 5.0, which is, of course, further, it just gives me the one that I'm going to use. So that's the one I'm hoping. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
You get another page. Scroll down until you reach the Debian section.
So I figured.
You want to click on the Debian version.
Maybe 11. 10. Well, there's an 11. I'm guessing just ooh, what the hell is that? Okay.
You get another page. You want to copy and paste some commands into a Linux terminal. First, click the copy button on this table. You will see it turn into a green.
Mm-hmm. 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 I don't know if I did that right.
Checkbox. Now, open up a Linux terminal and paste what you copied.
And thank you for saying that, Mugo. Or Mugo.
Multiple lines will be pasted. Just hit enter after pasting.
Okay.
The commands you pasted are finished executing. Go back to the browser and copy and paste and execute the text on the next table.
Okay. I figured as much. Doopity. Trial and error. Yeah, no kidding. But that's really all program. I mean, that's life, if we're being honest at that point. All right. Yeah, you use the things that consistently work, and then when you try and change those things, it hopefully it isn't something that's a detriment, or at the very least, it's at the bare minimum a side grade to whatever it is that it's already there. You know what I mean? Yeah. And yeah, is what we tend to head towards or want. Anyways, like that's what will be successful. That's the only thing we're allowing.
Wait for those commands to finish executing. When it's done, test the installation by typing.
Okay, it's still going. I'll get there, Mr. Fast Computer and Internet guy. Yeah, well, okay, but eventually it's going to get there. It will. You get there, I have hope. Yeah, thank you. I've got hope too. I've got something to do. I didn't think I'd be able to. Like, I kind of wanted to go and move on to like the newfangled stuff, like Python. And I'm like, for some damn reason, none of my shit is working with Python. Why is it that everything is syntax? What the hell? Why do I have a syntax error? Like, there's no way. What? I wrote it exactly like they did. So, anyways, but the programming of our capitalistic society, like the programming of just people on this planet, is not done the right way. It's one of the reasons why I talk about so much of my stuff. I show the errors and then the solution and changes that are necessary to have the program that is us run better. And so it should be that way. Anyways, there's a lot of programming stuff like software. Yeah, that's what it seems like. To basically do everything from scratch, which I'm okay with. I've got the time to kind of do that, and I might be able to change my direction with the help I'm getting to try and find a job towards maybe getting into college course or something with a Pell Grant, and then getting into programming might be a really, really good way to get going. Remember to kick your feet up. Yes, indeed. Sweet. I actually got a version.
The next step now is to create a C# project. Let's first create a console project.
Leah. All right.
Later also showed you how to create a C# web project. Files app and create a folder where I'm going to store my C# projects. This folder has to be in the Linux files.
Okay. Magoo. This is something that I have heard in my past. Okay, and so this is not to get on your case or make you feel bad. So when you wrote, you're super smart and innovative. You got talent, so I'm sure something will come your way. I have found that is certainly in my life, especially not the case. It's almost like I've got people against me getting anywhere. It might not be the case. In fact, it's probably not the case, but it feels that way at times because of my intelligence. I've had my therapist in the past tell me I'm too smart for therapy. Why are you here? And then my talent and the kind of like, oh, I'm sure you'll find a relationship or someone that will want to be with you. And that's not the case. And so it's one of those unfortunate, like, I love that you feel that way, but at the same time, it has actually been sort of like, well, someone else will do it or something else will. And I have to do a fuck ton and really have to get help to get anywhere. So, and that's just what that is. I do actually absolutely need that. All right, so I'll do that then. So it is This folder has to be in the Linux files area. You can create whatever folder you want and name it whatever you want in that area. It does not have to be the same as mine. When you finish creating the folder, right-click on it, then click on Open with. So that's how they do that. Okay. 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 I get text default. That is not the terminal. The fuck? This is not the terminal. Where's my terminal?
And click on open with terminal.
Why can't I open things with a terminal?
Terminal will
Okay, go back to you. I'm just judging based on YouTube videos and what you usually talk about. You have a unique perspective on things. Thank you. I appreciate that. I feel like sometimes that's the case. Other times maybe it's not. But you know, I'm glad that someone out there is thinking that. It's just, unfortunately, it didn't really kind of take care or help out that other issue I was thinking about, talking about. Let me see something. Ah, shit. Relaunch the terminal, and if I restart, okay. Okay. Now, so is that just because text default? Wait, that's just his default. Let me see here. Yeah, you understand. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Sorry, I'm a little slow. All of this is definitely getting sort of like into the stuff and taking up my attention. You know what I mean? My computer's so fucking slow. It's so slow. It's got to be here. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. Yeah, terminal. You bastard. You fucker. I just clicked that. Oh, no, that's the Visual Studio thing. Yeah, wonderful timing, though. Why? Huh? Where did it go? Where did the terminal thing go? Okay, so that didn't work. So Windows. This is stupid. I do hate the shit out of this so much. All right. Advanced is it apps? No. It's about Chromas, I believe. No, it's developers. That's where it is. Right. What? What? Why do you have that and I don't? What is this? What is? I don't want to do the text default. How do I change this? What? I am angry. Anyways, take it slow. Yeah, it's just anger. It's normal. This is just not there. Why is it not there? That's the question. New folder. Just leave it as new folder. I don't give a fuck. Nope, that's not a thing, apparently. Maybe that's just something that they could do then. We're just gonna move on. What was the darn stupid terminal thing with the whatever terminal settings? No, back, I say. What was that? Some settings. Back, I say. Back. Anytime. No. So it's not that. Developer settings. Of course. Thanks. How did I specify that damn file? Yeah. This. Anyways. Things around here. Yeah, but it's like specifying a folder or something. What is that? Is that like ls freaking she's? Let me see. What was that? No. There's the other thing. She already knows the program for the. There's a way to specify folders. Yes, it was in towards the end because of the dump C. So that is something. Should have wrote that down, damn it. Okay, so here it is. It's CD. That's what it was. How did I spell that? Good question. With a capital C, apparently. Ooh, you bitch. Apparently, you need to use the ls. No. Where is this damn thing? I did not hit fill screen. I'm pretty sure I tried not to anyways. All right, so no, stupid. Which is no, this is the, what is this? Okay, this is something else entirely. Wonderful. When did it suddenly change? Of course, I hit the full screen again. Okay. LS. Okay. So it goes with codes is the one I have to go with. Can I go with concept again? Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of trying to. Oh yeah, no, let's clear that actually. Fuck. Exit. Yay. Okay. Hadoop CD codes concept bitches motherfuckers. They forget the / or something. Of course not. It only accepts codes. There are things inside. Okay, I don't even want to care about this anymore. Of course, codes doesn't exist because it's case sensitive. Yep. Apparently.
Does not have to be the same as mine. When you finish creating the folder, right click on it, then click on open with, and click on open with terminal.
No terminal.
Terminal will know that's the folder you created.
There is no terminals. I don't care what this motherfucker says. There are no terminals.
Let's now create a C# project called Hello World. To do that, type .NET new console space -o hello world.
Sure. I want that so damn bad. Just get a new folder, safe. It won't though. Why won't you? It's only text is the default. What is this? What are these things? Oh, you. It says error immediately. I don't, you know. Life doesn't matter anyways. It's not that big of a deal. Let's just do this with the code thing in the terminal that I can already open previously. I guess that's just, we're going to stick with codes. How do I move forward from codes? Good question. Yeah, file path. What's the... Yep. Whew. What did, so .NET new. Still worked. No idea what the hell the difference was, but whatever. Sure.
Wait for the project to be created. Once done, type ls and enter. And you will see a hello.
Cool.
Folder has been created. Go into that folder by typing cd space hello world. Then
We're going to go into concept. I know.
now let's create a C# MVC website. Open up the files program and find the folder you created to store your C# project. Right click on it and
So, yeah, I'm still figuring it out.
now type .NET new MVC-O hello world web. Wait for the project to be created. When it's done creating, type cd hello world web. Then type code space dot to open the web project. Click yes on the pop-up for the required assets. To run this project, click on run, then click run without debugging. A web server will start running. At the bottom, you will see a lot of text appear. Among that text, there's going to be some links. Here we see a link saying localhost colon 5001 and another saying localhost colon 5000. You can open either of these by holding down the control key and clicking with your mouse. A web browser will appear. On the browser window, click on Advanced, then click on Proceed to load. Ignore the unsaved text because this is your own web server you are running and not a web server from an unknown source. A website will be. This website is the project you created. You can see the name of the project towards the top left.
We're almost near the end of our stream. So, yeah, about 15 minutes left. 13, really. 13, 12, 13.
Type this into a terminal. .NET new -L.
Yeah.
With all the project tabs. You want to make note of the short name column. Look for the project you want to create and look at its short name.
Okay. So. Nope, didn't want to do that. Nope. Oh my gosh. Probably had enough of you. Yeah. Well, I've been streaming for a while. So that's what that is. Let's see here. I need to write these commands like on a cheat sheet somewhere. Figure out how to stream more. Yeah, well, Melon only allows me to stream for 4 hours for a month. StreamYard allows me to stream for 20 hours in a month without paying them. So that helps, basically. Way too long. Yeah, it can definitely be. All right. So that is not C#, though. Gotta be honest. It comes down to it for me. Visual Studio. I don't like this. Like, I really just want to learn how to code. I don't want to learn how to put it on to my computer. I want to learn how to code, which is fundamentally different than what it is that they're teaching me. So that's the more annoying part there. This dang part. All right. Then do YouTube, man. I might. Honestly, we'll see. Besides, I like taking breaks. Being always on stream probably isn't going to help out. But, you know, I am trying to figure out how to get this phone of mine to even work to begin with. You know. Go away. Disappear. No, not every day. No, I mean, honestly, I'd like to stream every day in the morning and or afternoon, depending, or at least 3 times a week would be a good thing. And so that way I have like something to do that isn't what I've been normally doing, which is watching YouTube or streams or other shit, talking about stuff that I really should be recording at this point, you know. So, yeah, for birdie roops, yeah. I think I'm going to be awake doing this. In fact, I kind of want to end the stream early. I technically have like another 9 minutes, but I'm just going to end the stream early. Yeah, it would be nice if I could do that. Yeah. All right. I'm going to end the stream early. I'm going to learn about C# again for if, then, whiles, all this other stuff. It'll help me out. Anyways, have a good one. Bye.